Hello student, let's start our English class. Here the poem The Solitary Reaper by William Wordsworth. The poem is a lyrical ballad composed of 32 lines and 4 stanzas. Now, what is ballad? Ballad means a long song or poem that tells a story. The Solitary Reaper. The Solitary Reaper hears alone or a single, and reaper means a person or a girl. So, let's start the poem. Behold her single in the field, yon solitary highland lass, reaping and singing by herself, stop here or gently pass. Alone she cuts and birds the grain, and sings a melancholy strain. Oh, listen, for the vale profound is overflowing with the sound. So, in the first stanza, the poet tells is about the poem Girl of a Scotland. A young girl of a Scotland, he tells us, look at the girl who is singing and alone reaping a grain. He advised the passerby to stop and listen to her song or pass gently or silently so that she will not disturb. The poet says that the Highland girl cuts and burns and binds the grain. She is also singing a sad song. She is very busy in her song as well as in her work. The poet once again advises the passerby to listen to her song. The whole deep valley was echoing with her song. Okay. Now the second stanza. No nightingale did ever chaunt more welcome notes to weary bands of travellers in some shady haunt among Arabian sand. A voice so thrilling never was heard in springtime from the cuckoo bird, breaking the silence of the seas among the farthest Hebrides. Okay. In the second stanza, when the group of the tired travellers reaches to shady places in Arabian desert, the nightingale welcomed the tired traveller with its sweet song. But the poet said that even so far no nightingale has sing a song as melodious as the girl sung. The poet also said that in the spring season cuckoo bird always sing sweet, but the voice of the girls even sweeter than it. It was so sweet that it broke the silence of the seas and to far off the island. Okay, now about the third stanza. Will no one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the planted numbers flow for old unhappy far off things and battles long ago. Or is it some more humbly familiar matter of today, some natural sorrow, loss or pain that has been maybe again? Okay. In the third stanza, actually, the poet does not understand the language of the song of the girl. He tries to know the language and wonders whether anyone tell him the meaning of the song. He thought the girl probably singing some sad song or some old unhappy song, or perhaps she is singing about battles which have been fought before long ago. He thought that she might be singing about grief and sadness which has occurred. He tried to guess the theme. Perhaps she is singing a simple song on some ordinary matter or some simple sorrow or loss or pain. But he is really sure only about one thing, that the women song is a sad song. Okay, now about the fourth stanza. Whatever the theme, the maiden sang, as if her song could have no ending. I saw her singing at her work and o'er the sickle bending. I listened motionless and still, and as I mounted up the hill, the music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more. So, about the fourth stanza. The poet listened to her song, standing still and motionless, as he mounted up the hill of Scotland. The sweet music of the song struck in his heart. He wanted to continue to listen the song, but as he walked far away from the field, but its melody echoes in his heart and in his imagination, he was so impressed that he carried the melody of the song with him long after it was ended. So this is what about The Solitary Reaper by William Wordsworth. Thank you.